Hi, we're going to learn to use JavaDoc today. So we've got a class here called JavaDoc demo, and I have a couple of variables and a method. Now I just want to highlight that when we do the JavaDoc we'll have some problem with these variables, and I'm highlighting this because it caught me out for a moment. These are not public, so we'll see how this won't work and we'll have to make a public variable. So JavaDoc is about documenting your code and creating the normal help files that you often see. So what we need to do is / enter, and then we can put in some information about my int. So my int is not going to be seen, and the same for this one. / enter, my private int also will not work. And what we want to do is, if we want JavaDoc to appear for these class variables, we'll make them public. Int public ints, no significance to the numbers. Let's put in some JavaDoc comments for this one. A public int will be seen, and let's do our method. Same again, / ***, and notice here we'll are being asked to put in information about each of the parameters a, b, and what's returned. So a is the first number to be added. You guessed it. And return, this is the sum of a and b. Okay, and we'll save that. So they're just comments at the moment, but we want to create the HTML documentation. So what we need to do is go to Project, Generate JavaDoc. Now, this will catch you out, caught me out. We have to say where the executable is, the program that actually generates the JavaDoc. So we need to select it, and here's one I did earlier. So my JDK is C drive program files Java JDK7. I'm using bin, and then you select the javadoc.exe. So you'll need to find out where your JDK is installed and press finish, and it's going to put the JavaDoc in temp JavaDoc doc. Remember that. Okay, so that's that done, and over here now we will see the results in the doc folder. If you go to index, right click and open with browser, we've got our JavaDoc here. We could also create a browser to look at it. So let's do that. We need to go to c:\temp, and you can remember where it was. It was probably in JavaDoc doc HTML. That worked. Okay, and here's our class that we've created. That's this JavaDoc demo one, and you'll notice that the only field is that we can see is this public one, and we didn't have a constructor, but we've got our methods, sorry, down here, add to. So that was the summary up here. Here's our method, add to, that'll take us back down to there. And there we have it, as easy as that. Thank you. Lastly, you can use the JavaDoc you've created for code completion. So here we have me trying to use the method add to, and you notice that it knows that add to is expecting 2 integers. So we can click on there as you would normally, and then we can put in 8, say, and 9. So now we can use the documentation we've just created to help ourselves in our own code writing.